Can you show me how it sounded?
Mm-hmm.
I want to hear how it sounded.
Is it? And that. He sounds like a bear.
Wow.
Who was that?
It was Papa.
Where was he sleeping?
He was sleeping in the bed down the carpet on the floor. That was Steady. How did he do that? How did he make his bed and get on good sheets and sleep on the floor and the carpet? How did he do that?
I don't know.
I don't know why he do that. He's silly, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know why he did that.
So did you wake up before Papa?
Yeah.
What woke you up?
I think Papa, because he was snoring a lot. He don't make noise. He wake me up.